Matt Lindsay here with Southside Strength and Fitness, and I have Helen here from Shiloh Aesthetics, one of our trainers at the gym. She's also an employee, and we're here to announce our newest piece of equipment. So as you guys have seen, we're bringing it in here. We actually have the Arsenal Strength Glute Bridge, and a lot of ladies asking for the glute bridge, where you can do hip thrusts and a variety of different glute-focused exercises. It's really nice because you don't have to get a barbell, a bench, and a whole bunch of accessories to be able to do the same movement.
Exactly.
So it's really nice. You know, we got glutes for America. That's why we put it right in front of the American flag here. But really, we actually wanted to push it against the wall so that ladies feel comfortable when they're using it. You know, they're thrusting towards the wall, not open to the rest of the gym. So purpose behind putting it right here next to the wall. Helen's gonna show us how to use it. We already loaded up a plate on each side. And she's going to jump in here and show us how to use it. We'll invite you guys to come on over and see how it's used.